Jotend migepe 10 manyien e piny owacho mar kaunti ma Kisumu kawuono chamo muma mana ndalo machuok kende bang' ka od bura ma Kisumu nyocha ne opuodhogi. E nyasi manotele kod jang'ad bura Teresa Odera, jotend migepego ne osingo mar neno ni gitimo tijgi kaluwore kod chike mag kaunti kod mago mag katiba mar piny Kenya. Gavana mar kaunti ma Kisumu Ngire Peter Anyang' Nyong'o manoyuoro e nyasino okawo thuolo mar nyisogi mondo giti matek e neno ni lek mage ne jopiny ochwal e yo makare ahinya to mag chopo dongruok. Jotend migepego ting'o Dr. Gregory mar thieth, George Okong'o mar omenda, John Awiti mar somo, Farida Salim mar ohala, Kenneth Onyango mar thieth, Salmon Orimba mar apaya, Judith Oluoch e migawo mochung' ne jotije, Biti Sodongo mar tuke, Kennedy Hongo mar lo kod Mary Nakinyi e migawo mar pi.
I, Judith Onyango Oluoch, do solemnly affirm that I shall always truly and diligently
serve the people and the Republic of Kenya
in the office of the Executive Member
for Water, Environment, Natural Resources and Climate Change
of Kisumu County.
I shall diligently discharge my duties
and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment.
That I shall at all times, when so required,
faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the governor of Kisumu County.
And that I shall do justice to all. So help me God.
That we will
in the second
show you should be up to the task. And the governor has done it wisely. He has also advertised the position of chief officers and directors. So you are going ahead of them. You will be in offices. You will prepare policies. So when they will be coming to take offices, you will be right on top of things.
Working together as a team, and I'm certain we shall implement my manifesto to promote development in the county, thereby meeting the basic needs of our people and those of the people of Kenya as a whole. Kisumu County, as you are well aware, is a multi-ethnic, multi-racial, and multicultural society in which respect and defend that jealously. As you can see, the multiplicity of cultures and peoples is reflected